Hi, Harpeth Hall students. Mrs. Mantle here to talk about Sora and installing it on any devices that you may use for reading or listening at home. Sora is our reading platform. It has ebooks and audiobooks, thousands of them available for free for you in the Harpeth Hall School digital library. So, this is how to install the app on any device. You can use Sora with your computer. Go to the internet browser that you prefer, type in the address there, soraapp.com/library/MISBO, and log in with your school username and password, and you can get in and start searching for ebooks and audiobooks with your computer. If you want to install it on a device, and it works on any device, iPads, iPhones, Android phones, any Kindle that you might have, any kind of reading device that you can install an app on, you can install the Sora reading app. So you're gonna go to the Google Play or the App Store with Apple devices. Go and search for Sora by Overdrive, S-O-R-A, Sora by Overdrive. Once you find that app, you're gonna click on it. It is free. So Sora by Overdrive reading app, install it on any device. You go to open it for the first time, you're going to need to take a couple of steps for getting it ready to use. So it's going to use your location and know that you are in part of the MISBO collection. So it's MISBO. You want to look for Harpeth Hall School. Don't choose MBA. You want to look for MISBO, Harpeth Hall School. Click on the green. This is my school. Then you need to do it again. You're going to sign in by coming down using the drop down menu and looking for the Harpeth Hall School. There is one for new students, new honey bears joining us for the next school year. So returning students, you don't want to use that one. You want to just use the Harpeth Hall School. So you click on the Harpeth Hall School, and you're going to use your username, your school username, which is your first name, dot last name, dot graduation year. Standard school username. First name, dot last name, dot graduation year. And then your same school password and click sign in. The app and you're using it, you've got some options down here with home, explore, shelf, and then your account right here. So you can search for a book at any time. You can go back and use the collections that we have organized for you, or when you're looking for your books and you've already borrowed them, there are some great options that are really nice to use, especially if you got a device. So let's say you've got the reading app on your phone and you want to go out for a run. So in this case, a couple of pointers. You want to make sure that the book is fully downloaded. You'll notice that I can do this cloud check mark right here. I can just stream when I'm online, or I can download the book. Especially important for audiobooks. You want to make sure the entire audiobook is downloaded before you are off the Wi-Fi or an internet connection. If you want to send the book to another device, in this case a Kindle, you can send it to the Kindle devices or the Kindle app if you have that installed on an iPad. You're going to click on a note here. This is going to send me to Amazon. So you will need your Amazon login information before you can do this step. And also make sure you have your parents' permission to go through Amazon and send these ebooks and audiobooks to your device. So I'm going to send a Kindle. Logged in and I see my book. So this is like I've put it in my cart, and now I have to actually finish that checkout process and say get library book. So you have to click on this yellow button here, get library book, to fully complete the process of sending the Kindle to your or the ebook to your Kindle. And the other thing, you want to make sure that if you have multiple devices in your family, that you are sending it to the correct device. So don't send it to your sister's iPad. You want to make sure you're sending it to the device that you want to. So you're going to click get library book. And it's going to tell you that the next time your Kindle is connected to the Wi-Fi, it's going to sync and get that book. So that's something to make sure that you're not on airplane mode or disconnected from your internet when you're using your Kindle. If your book isn't showing up, check those settings and then make sure that the Amazon can deliver your ebook to your Kindle.